Hey, what up? As you can see, this is God's Divine Africa set, and today is January 30th, and we're in Michigan, and my cat never been outside, and he's trying to go outside. And this is the cold weather outside. This is part 2. As you can see from yesterday, that's that house right there.
Kitty, where you going?
Look at the cat.
Kitty.
Come on, kitty, come on. He never been outside before in his life. Anyway, this is part 2 of it, and that's my son over here cleaning off his car. And we just want to show you the conditions.
Brought to you by Pringles.
If you can see this blizzard, these smooches, hawks, whatever you want to call them. Let's put on a show. Look. I don't know if you can see it or not. But this is part 2. Look at the snow. Look at the comparison of yesterday's video. This is crazy. Do you have anything to say, Miss Lopez? Beyonce, this is my daughter. It's the whole week
I didn't go to school.
Didn't go to school at all. All like over 1,000 places are closed.
It's like spring, like winter break, but in reverse. Cool is it out here?
Get back in here.
It's so cool.
Get in here. We got no hat.
Okay, I'll go get my hat.
The cat, like I said, I was kind of scared to let him out because I never let him out, and I was scared he was gonna run in the street. But I knew that once he got outside, he got outside, he came right back in. He started crying. It's not funny, but it's funny. So this is the look at this. Look at it. I wish you guys could see. Maybe you could see.
I got my hat on.
Get in here.
No, it's so nice out here.
I don't know why my son, he wants to be a Superman. He gonna be super sick.
No, Mama.
Look at that.